Good afternoon, YouTube. TJ Customs back at you with another mini bike. We have purchased a Manco Thunderbird. Here it is in all of its glory. Sorry about the camera angle. Sun's messing me up here. Alright. Here it is. It's a little rough around the edges. I bought it for $100. When I bought it, it didn't run. The back tire wouldn't move. It leaked fuel. But yeah, that's about it. And the rear springs were worn out. So what I did was took the carburetor completely apart and cleaned it. There's a crush water that the jet goes to on the bottom of the carburetor there. I replaced that washer, stopped the fuel leak. Cleaning the carburetor, took care of the non-starting problems. It fires right up now. Back wheel wouldn't move because it's been sitting for quite a while. And the chain was rusty. So what I did was took the chain off, soaked it in WD-40 overnight, put it back on, and that seemed to have good results. The rear springs, I have these rear springs off of an old go-kart. So I put those on there. They were the same size as the springs that came on it. So I mean, it's not really any different. Except for now it's a lot more stiffer. The other ones, the seat would move real far back and forth due to the bushings and the springs being wore out. New spark plug. We rewired the kill switch. The handlebars it came on were a little bit too short, so every time I would turn they would hit my knees. So I had these old handlebars off MBX-10 mini bike. Took the other ones off and put those on. Relocated the kill switch here. Yeah, sounds pretty good. It's fun to ride. We will be getting a Predator sometime soon, so I'll keep you updated and keep a video on that. Probably touch some paint up too. It is missing the front plate here for the Thunderbird plate, but we'll fire it up here and see what happens. Not too bad. Clutch is a little loud, but it is what it is for now. If you watched the last video, you see I had the Honda 650 Nighthawk sitting here. That has been sold, and I purchased an 81 Kawasaki 440 LTD that I'm going to turn into a bobber. So there's the engine and some parts for it. Working on the frame now. Here's the frame. What I did was it had the two-seater on there, so I cut the frame, the two-seater part off, so we could just put the one seat, the soft tail seat on there. I did some grinding to the frame, cut the rear peg mounts off, grinded those down, cut the seat mounts down, grinded those off. Did some grinding on the other side. So yeah, it's coming along. Still got to sand and get this guy painted. I got to do some welds here and there, and we can start putting her back together the way we want it to. This is the rear swing arm. We're going to extend this 2 inches, bring this out a little bit, rebuild the forks, rebuild pretty much everything, and hopefully get it going again. So there's what's going on at the shop. I'll keep you updated.